Samsung, who has long been the industry leader in the Android watch category, has introduced two all-new smartwatches this year. The Galaxy Watch 6, the newest smartwatch from Samsung, is available in two variations and features a few handy additions, including the reintroduction of the traditional rotating bezel. Although the majority of the features are nearly identical, is it worthwhile to invest an additional $100 for the original version? What matters more is which one should you pick. Watch this video to learn more about all of that and more. While having a pretty similar appearance in comparison to the older model to add a first impression, Samsung made sure the next iteration of the Galaxy Watch comes with subtle but noticeable changes in terms of the overall design, with a 20% larger display and 30 slimmer bezels compared to the predecessor. So, the classic variant laces our mind with a hint of nostalgia, as they brought back the rotating bezel popularized through the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. As far as build quality goes, the Watch 6 Classic has a more premium feel to it courtesy of a polished stainless steel case and a hybrid eco-leather band. The regular variant alternatively comes with an aluminum case and silicone strap, while both variants come with sapphire crystal glass on the display in order to alleviate scratches. The Classic variant is a bit heavier in comparison, so do keep your priorities in check. Further strengthening the watches, both models come with a rugged and reliable IP68 dust and water resistance, alongside a MILSTF 810H rating. Although Samsung made no design changes that scream at your face, there are some minor yet notable improvements here and there. The most significant one of them, though, is the Exynos W930 chip, which promises to deliver a performance boost on a grand scale. However, the processor is exclusively tied to the Classic variant, alongside both models having 2 GB of RAM, a 20% larger display, and a peak brightness of 2000 nits. The watches also come housed with bigger batteries that improve overall performance, visibility, and endurance. Now, as far as health and fitness tracking sensors, the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic house the bioactive optical heart rate, electrical heart signal, bioelectric impedance analysis sensor. Not only that, both has temperature sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, barometer, geomagnetic sensor, and of course a light sensor. A plethora of features aside, the Classic variant comes with an additional 3D Hull sensor for positioning via the magnetic field. Now, for software, the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic run on One UI 5 watch that's been built based on the Wear OS 4.
Want to earn money? You have no idea about trading? No problem. Here is Hilton Meta FX. If we are talking about benefits, you can earn profit 1 to 3% with AlgoBot daily and 2 to 5% with SuperBot. Not only that, you can earn 10% from direct refer and 80% from team generation income. At last, you can earn royalty income also. Here is the team level bonus. This is rank and monthly income. Royalty income. Why your invest is secure here. You can withdraw your invested amount anytime. You can withdraw your earning money 24/7. Your investment and profit will be deposited into your Meta MT5 wallet. Many people are earning here a huge amount of money. Here you can see all proofs here. Still afraid? For more details, join our WhatsApp group. Link is given in the description box. And I have given my Hilton Meta link in the description also.
This upgrade, alongside offering all the health and fitness tracking features from the Watch 5, also includes depth tracking, continuous heart rate monitoring, exercise modes, and then some. At the same time, if you're prone to regular heart rhythms, the watch also sends you notification regarding data logs set of personalized heart rate zone and improved level of sleep tracking with in-depth sleep scores. You must get a detailed sleep coach and auto-switching between devices. Thanks to a new API, the ThermaCheck app ensures you dive into the waters at the perfect temperature, while having support for the new Google Calendar and Gmail apps for Wear OS. Now, regardless of the size of the display, Samsung is claiming the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic come with a better battery life, where both models can last for 40 hours on a single charge and 30 with an always-on display. You can get your hands on the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic, where the base model will cost $300 for the 40mm variant and $330 for the larger 44mm variant. However, for the Classic variant, you need to dish out an extra $100 for the 43mm variant, charged at $400, and the 47mm variant starts at $430. So to conclude, should you go with the Watch 6 or the Watch 6 Classic? Well, we believe the Watch 6 to be the better choice in this regard, since it offers all the amenities you'd get with the previous model, except the rotating bezel and 3D hull feature, all while shaving off $100. However, if a sense of nostalgia hits, you're harder and you prefer it that way, you cannot go wrong with the Watch 6 Classic, as you'll get a more premium variant of the same watch that has irritating bezel, stainless steel case, and comfortable eco leather band. However, whether this bunch of upgrades is worth the extra $100 is up for debate, but do let us know your opinions in the comments section down below. So, that was a 2 cents on Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 versus Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, simple yet impactful. Do let us know which one of these watches you'd be going with, as we'd love to hear from you.